Pro, the lucky mascot of curry and spices, Ranju's own. Keep watching.
First, let's get the dough ready. For that, we need 1 cup of wheat flour, salt as per need, oil 1 teaspoon. Mix well. You need approximately half a glass of water to get this ready. Mix well the same way as you do a chapati or roti dough. Add water and get the dough ready as shown. Be careful not to add all at once and end up getting a watery dough. Allow the prepared dough to sit for approximately 20 to 30 minutes in an airtight container or a wet cloth. Meanwhile, let's get the veggies and the other ingredients ready. We need oil 2 tablespoons, garlic 1 clove, ginger 1 small piece. Instead of using fresh ginger garlic, you can use half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Onion 1 number, 1 carrot, 1 small size capsicum, beans 10 numbers, soya sauce 1 tablespoon, tomato sauce 1 tablespoon, chili sauce half tablespoon. I am showing you a preparation using sauces. You can avoid using sauces and depend on the masalas being shown here as an option. This gives you a fusion Indian style noodles. For that we need half teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder. So with this, we are now going to create an awesome homemade wheat noodles. I am showing you a veggie version here. You can also opt for scrambled eggs or shredded meat or even shredded fish or prawns to make your homemade noodles of choice. It's been 30 minutes now and the dough is soft and ready. Bind the dough together as shown. Using an idiyappam press or noodles press, we will press the dough to get the noodles ready. Fill the dough into the press and meanwhile boil water in a vessel along with 1 teaspoon of oil to cook the noodles. Once the water boils, press the noodles directly into the boiling water. Add the noodles in batches. Do not add too much in a go. Wait for a minute before you start looping the noodles around. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes. You can add oil of your choice for this process. Once the noodles is ready, strain the noodles from the boiling water and place it into a bowl of water under room temperature. This is to avoid starch. Wash the noodles under running water. Please note that we need to have all the needed ingredients besides us at this point because we will be cooking the noodles under high flame, just as you see in some of the open kitchen. Add oil. Now add ginger and garlic and saute for few seconds to lock the flavor in. Now add onion and add a pinch of salt and saute for a minute. Now add carrot and beans and saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Don't add the capsicum in the beginning to avoid overcooking. Add capsicum when the beans and carrot are semi-done. Cook in high flame and continue saute on open pot to get the right crunchy texture for the veggies. Avoid overcooking the veggies. Be creative and add veggies as per your choice. Once the capsicum is semi-cooked, we'll move the fire into medium flame and add the cooked noodles and sauces as shown. Mix well and presto, your amazing homemade wheat noodles is ready. You can add your fresh veggies or cooked non-veg of your choice at this point in time and gentle roll the noodles over. This homemade wheat noodles is just yummy for children and grown-up alike. Try it out and let me know your feedback on Curry and Spices Ranju Zone. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video to your friends and family. See you soon.